How to hide likes on YouTube Shorts on PC. If you want to hide likes on your YouTube Shorts using your PC, first open up any web browser and on the search bar simply search for youtube.com. Once you have done that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then the next step is to actually go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right. Then from here, you just have to go to your YouTube Studio, where you can manage all of your videos. So click on Leave, and now your YouTube Studio will open up on the same tab. Then you'll see your channel dashboard right here. After you've done that, you're going to head over to the Contents tab on the left side of your screen. Once you get here, you'll see your videos, inspirations, and then shorts. Head over to Shorts, and you'll be able to see the shorts that you've posted for your channel. Now click on this edit icon to see its details. And now once you get to details, scroll down all the way to the video and click on show more. Now scroll down, and once you scroll all the way to the bottom, here you'll see this option where it says show how many viewers liked the video. So just uncheck this, and once you've done that, your like will be hidden. Don't forget to click on the save icon at the top right. And now your likes will be hidden on the YouTube short. So let me just play this. And as you can see here, I've played the short, and as you can see, it has been disabled. So no matter how many likes or dislike it gets, it won't be showed to any viewers. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.